Hi students, today we discuss a new concept that is atomic numbers and atomic mass of the first 30 elements and their electronic configuration. First, hydrogen, symbol H. Atomic number is 1, atomic mass is also 1. The nature of the hydrogen element is non-metal. Electronic configuration. Before we discuss the electronic configuration, first you observe this periodic chart. The hydrogen is present, the first element, and it is present in a first period and in a first group. What is meant by period? The horizontal rows we have to name it as a periods and vertical columns are named as a groups. The hydrogen is present in a first group and in a first period. The first two groups belongs to S black elements. Next, 13 to 18 groups belongs to P black elements. First, the hydrogen is present in a first period. So, we can write down the electronic configuration as 1, that is present in S black. So, S, and it is containing only one electron. So, we can write down as 1. So, the general electronic configuration of the hydrogen is 1s1. Now helium, symbol is He, atomic number 2, atomic mass is 4. It is a gas. When we observe in a periodic table, the helium is present at right corner of the periodic table. This is present in a first period. So we can write down as 1s helium containing 2 electrons. So we can write down as 2. So the electronic configuration of the helium is 1s2. When we observe lithium, symbol is Li, atomic number 3, atomic mass is 7. Lithium is a metal. The electronic configuration, when we observe in a periodic table, lithium is present in a second period. So the electronic configuration, first we can write down first period containing 2 electrons. So, we can write down as 1s2. Lithium is present in a second period. So, we can write down as 2. Lithium is present in a S black element. So, 2s, the third electron goes to S orbital. So, the lithium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. Next, beryllium. Symbol is Be, atomic number 4, atomic mass is 9 and it is also a metal. When we observe the electronic configuration, beryllium is present in S black and it is second period. So, the electronic configuration we can written as 1s2, 2s2 because the beryllium is present in a second period and in S black which containing two electrons. So, we can write down as 1s2, 2s2 because the first 2 electrons filled in first orbit and the second remaining 2 electrons are present in a second orbit in S subshell. Next, boron. Symbol is B and its atomic number is 5. Atomic mass is 11. It is an example for non-metal. When we observe in a periodic table, boron is present in a P black and it is a first element in a P black. So, we can write down the boron electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2. The boron is present in a second period. So, 2p1 because it is the first element in a periodic table P black element in second period. So, the general electronic configuration of boron is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Next, carbon. Symbol is C and atomic number is 6. Atomic mass is 12. Non-metal. And electronic configuration can be written as the carbon is present in a P black and it is the second element in a P black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next, nitrogen. Symbol N. Atomic number 7, atomic mass 14. It is an example for non-metal. When we observe in a periodic table, nitrogen is the third element in a P black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Similarly, oxygen, symbol O, atomic number 8, atomic mass is 16. It is a non-metal. When we observe this periodic table, the oxygen is the fourth element in a P black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 because it is the fourth element in a periodic table. So, we can written as 2p4. Next, fluorine. Symbol F, atomic number 9, mass number 19. It is a non-metal. When we observe a periodic table, the fluorine is the fifth element in a P black elements. So, we can write down as 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 because the fluorine is present in a second period and in P black. So, the electronic configuration we can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Next, neon. Symbol is Na. Atomic number is 10. Mass, atomic mass is 20. It is an example for non-metal. And electronic configuration. Neon is present in a second period. The sixth element in a P black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next, sodium. Symbol Na, atomic number 11, atomic mass 23. It is an example for metal. When we observe the position of the sodium in a periodic table, it is present in a third period and in S black. So, and it is present in a first group. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. And the final electron, that means 11th electron, that will be goes to third period and in s orbital 3s1. The condensed electronic configuration can be written as neon 3s1 because 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is the electronic configuration of neon. So in short notation, we can write down the alternative electronic configuration of the sodium as neon 3s1. Next, magnesium. Symbol Mg. Atomic number 12, atomic mass is 24. It is an example for metal. The magnesium is present in a third period in the second group. That means it is S black element. So the general electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. In shorthand notation, we can write down as neon 3s2. Next, aluminium. Symbol Al, atomic number 13, atomic mass is 27. It is also a metal, but in some cases, it acts as a metalloid also. That means both metal and non-metal nature is present in aluminium. And its electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1 because the aluminium is present in a third period, the first element in a P black in third period. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1 or neon 3s2, 3p1. Next, silicon. Symbol Si, atomic number 14, atomic mass is 28. It is a metalloid. That means the silicon is having both metal and non-metallic nature. When we observe in a periodic table, the silicon is present second element in a P black in a third period. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2 or neon 3s2, 3p2. Next, phosphorus. Symbol is P. And its atomic number is 15. Atomic mass is 31. And it is an example for non-metal. When we observe in a periodic table, the phosphorus is present in a third period and third element in a P black element. So the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 or neon 3s2, 3p3. Next, sulfur. The symbol is S, atomic number 16, atomic mass 32. It is a non-metal. When we observe in a periodic table, the sulfur is present in a third period and fourth element in a p black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4 or neon 3s2, 3p4. Next element is chlorine. Symbol Cl, atomic number 17, atomic mass 35.5. It is fractional value and it is a non-metal. When we observe in a periodic table, the chlorine is present in a third period and fifth element in a p black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5 or neon 3s2, 3p5. Next element, argon. Symbol Ar. The atomic number is 18, atomic mass is 40. It is a gas, so it is a non-metal. When we observe in a periodic table, the argon is present in a third period and sixth element in this p black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. It is the most stable electronic configuration element. Next, potassium. Symbol K. Atomic number 19. Atomic mass is 39. Potassium is an example for metal. When we observe this periodic table, potassium is present in a fourth period and in S black first element. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. In shorthand notation, our condensed electronic configuration can be written as argon 4s1 because we are already write down the argon electronic configuration up to 3p6 as argon. The 4s1 as 4s1. That means argon 4s1 is the condensed electronic configuration of the potassium. Next, calcium. Symbol Ca. Atomic number 20. Atomic mass 40. It is an example for metal. When we observe in a periodic table, the calcium is present in a fourth period and in second element in a S black. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 or condensed electronic configuration can be written as argon 4s2. From atomic number 21 to 30, these elements belongs to D black elements. When we observe in a modern periodic table, the D black element starts from fourth period, scandium to zinc. These are the atomic numbers from 21 to 30. When we observe the scandium, symbol Sc, atomic number 21, atomic mass is 45. It is a transition metal. D black elements all are an examples for metal. Now, the electronic configuration, general electronic configuration of the D black elements can be written as N-1, where N starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. D 1 to 10, NS2. When we observe the scandium electronic configuration, the scandium is present in a fourth period and in D black first element. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now, scandium is 4s2. Up to this one, 1s2. That means in a periodic table, first 2 electrons goes to first period and the remaining 6 electrons goes to second period. 2p6. 2s2, 2p6. Next, remaining 8 electrons goes to third period. 3s2, 3p6. And the remaining 3 electrons first fill into the 4s2 electrons, 4s2, and the last element electron goes to third period, 3d1. That means we can already say that the general electronic configuration is N-1. The scandium is present in a fourth period, 4-1. That means D, 3. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 3d1. In shorthand notation, it can also be written as argon 4s2 3d1. Next, titanium. Symbol is Ti. Atomic number 22. Atomic mass 48. Nature of the element is metal. When we observe titanium is present, is the second element in D black in fourth period. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2 or argon 4s2, 3d2. Next, vanadium. The symbol V. Atomic number 23, atomic mass 51. It is an example for metal. Vanadium is the third element in a D black. So the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3 or in condensed electronic configuration as argon 4s2, 3d3. Next element chromium. Symbol Cr and its atomic number 24. Atomic mass is 52 and it is an example for metal. When we observe in a modern periodic table, the position of the chromium is the fourth element in a D black in a fourth period. So the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Actually, we can write down as 4s2, 3d4. But in order to get a stability, the alternative electronic configuration can be written as 4s1, 3d5. That means one of the 4s electron that will be shifted to D. That means 4s is half filled, d orbital is half filled. If the orbitals are half filled or fully filled, then that atom will get stability according to Hund's rule. So the alternative electronic configuration of the chromium can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. This is the anomalous electronic configuration of the chromium. In shorthand notation, it can also be written as argon 4s1, 3d5. Next element, magnesium. Symbol manganese. Manganese. Its symbol is Mn. Atomic number 25. Atomic mass 55. It is an example for metal. When we observe the position in a periodic table, it is in a fourth period and fifth element in a D black. So, it can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5 or argon 4s2, 3d5. Next, iron. The symbol is Fe. Atomic number 26. Atomic mass 56. It is an example for metal and electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6 because the iron is the sixth element in a D black. Next element, cobalt. Symbol Co. Atomic number 27, mass number 59 or atomic mass. It is an example for metal. The cobalt is the seventh element in a periodic table. So the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. Next, nickel. Symbol Ni. Atomic number 28. Atomic mass 59. It is an example for metal and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8 because the nickel is the eighth element in a modern periodic table chart. Next, copper. Symbol Cu. Atomic number 29 and atomic mass is 63.5. It is an example for metal. When we observe in a modern periodic table, the copper is the ninth element in a D black in a fourth period. But we can write down the electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10 because according to Hund's rule, if an element is half filled or completely filled in orbital, then that atom gets stability. So, one of the s electron is shifted to D. So, S is half filled, D is fully filled. According to Hund's rule, this atom will get more stability. So, the anomalous electronic configuration of copper is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 3p6, 4s1 3d10, or condensed electronic configuration can be written as argon 4s1 3d10. Next, zinc. Symbol is Zn. Atomic number 30, mass number 65. It is an example for metal. When we observe this modern periodic table, the zinc is the 10th element in D block in 4th period. So, the electronic configuration can be written as 1s2 2s2 2p6, 3s2 3p6, 4s2 3d10, or in shorthand notation, it can also be written as argon 4s2 4d10. This is the information of the first 30 elements in a periodic table, their atomic numbers, atomic mass, and nature of the element, and their electronic configuration. Thank you for watching this video.